Hi, dorks. No idea if this mic is loud enough. Anyways, I feel like making some sushi today. Some weird sushi. And probably going to do some fruits. Well, I will be doing some fruits. But it's obviously going to be weird fruits for sushi. Because if you enjoy sushi, you know how tasty avocado and mango are. So anyways, for the weird sushi, the fruits, I've got an orange. I predict the orange is going to be kind of decent in the sushi. Maybe a little too juicy. I don't know, it could ruin the rice. But anyways, I also have an apple, more specifically a pink lady, I believe it's called. And actually, these are pretty tasty. The pink ladies. The apple, I think, is going to be kind of weird in the sushi. It's going to be probably too crisp, too crunchy. But it might work. Who knows? And probably the weirdest one I have is a banana. The banana is not going to be good. I can tell you that. This is not going to work in sushi. But it is worth a try. And so I'm going to try the banana in the sushi. And obviously there are going to be Maggi rolls for the sushi. So, enough of the silly intro. Let's just get to making the sushi now. See you in a bit. Hello again, dorks. Okay, so... Ooh, don't spill. Okay, so here's my sushi. And an orange. And some ginger. So, two problems I ran into. Number one, I forgot to buy sushi rice. Sushi rice. I forgot to buy rice vinegar. A very important part of cooking the rice. But a friend convinced me that since it is supposed to be weird sushi, might as well use a different kind of vinegar. So I used lemon juice. And actually I tasted some of the rice with lemon juice, and it was pretty tasty. Sorry, I need to stir the wasabi a bit. And the other problem is that banana was really difficult to cut without messing up the sushi. As you could see, I had to throw away some. I could just have eaten them, but I don't like eating messy sushi. Anyways, let's pick out some nice ones here. That's a big one. Okay, so I'm gonna try the orange first. I'm hoping this will taste good. I probably shouldn't have the dish over there. It's probably gonna drip some of the soy sauce. Okay. Um, oh, oh, sorry. You can probably hear me chew. So, yeah, the orange was not too bad. Not great, but not too bad. Take a little bit of ginger. That's a lot of ginger. Yum, yum, yum. Now let's try an apple. I honestly don't know how this is going to turn out. It might be okay. Dip it in the soy sauce. Okay. As expected, not great. It's okay, but definitely not something I'd try again. Now the banana, which I predicted is not going to be good at all. Doo -doo -doo -doo. I swear I put too much soy sauce on my sushi, but I love it. Um, okay. Actually, the banana's not that bad. The banana is not too bad. Okay. So, in summary, orange, it's okay. Lemon juice in the vinegar, lemon juice in the rice instead of rice vinegar. It's good. I'd do it again. Ah, I'm sweating. It's hot. And the apple, nah, nah, not the apple. I'm not gonna do that again. And the banana, well, let's be honest, I'm not gonna do any of these again. But the banana was okay. And I mean, that's pretty much it. That's it for this fruit session of Weird Sushi. Don't forget to hug a femboy today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.